Hello everybody and welcome to your science lesson. Today we're going to be having a look at what different animals eat, and we're going to be putting them into different groups depending on what they eat. These groups are called carnivores, herbivores and omnivores. First, let's have a little recap about our science lesson last week. With your adult, pause the video now and think of all the things you can remember about mammals, birds, fish, amphibians and reptiles. Well done everybody. Can you remember the difference between amphibians and reptiles? So amphibians, like frogs and toads and newts, live on land and in water, and they lay their eggs in the water. They have slimy skin and bulging eyes. But reptiles, like crocodiles and lizards, they live in water and on land, but they lay their eggs on the land. Their skin is scaly and they are cold-blooded, which means they can't keep themselves warm. Mammals, like us, usually have fur or hair, and mammal babies are born alive and their mothers will feed them milk. Fish live in water, but they have fins instead of legs and gills instead of lungs. They also lay their eggs in water. Birds, like penguins and ducks, birds have a beak and they have wings, feathers and 2 legs. They also lay their eggs. Super work, year 1. So today we're going to be looking at what animals need to eat to stay alive. Different animals eat different types of food. Which of these animals does not eat grass? Pause the video and talk with your adult. Well done, year 1. You're right, it's the lion. The lion does not eat grass. First, we're going to have a closer look at carnivores. Some animals eat other animals to survive. These are called carnivores. You may have heard people say, carnivores eat meat. This is from other animals, birds, fish, mammals and insects. Carnivores can be big or small. Which of these animals on the slide do you think is a carnivore? A kingfisher. That's correct. A kingfisher is a bird and it eats worms and other little bugs to survive, making it a carnivore. With your adult, pause this slide and talk about any other carnivores that you may know. Do you think plants can be carnivores? Do plants eat meat or other animals? The answer is yes. There is a plant called the Venus flytrap. It catches flies within its spines, closes shut and digests the fly. Some animals only eat plants. We call these herbivores. They eat nuts, grass, fruit, flowers, vegetables and seeds. Here is an elephant. Elephants are herbivores. Which one of these foods can elephants not eat? Pause this slide and talk with your adult. Well done, year 1. They don't eat mice because mice are meat. They only eat plants. With your adult, can you think of any other herbivores? Well done, everybody. Have a look at the pictures on the slides. These are all other animals that are herbivores and only eat plants. Giraffes, rabbits, reindeer, cows and rhinoceroses. So we've had a look at carnivores and they only eat animals for meat. And we've had a look at herbivores that only eat plants. But some animals eat animals and plants. We call these animals omnivores. Omnivores survive by eating both plants and animals. This is a really good way of staying alive. If they can't find any meat, omnivores can eat plants instead. Omnivores come in all shapes and sizes. The grizzly bear is an omnivore. Grizzly bears can eat seeds, berries and grass, but they also eat deer, fish and insects. With your adult, pause this video and think of any other omnivores. Badgers, pigs, squirrels and monkeys are all omnivores. They eat both meat and fruit and vegetables and plants. Here is a tiny ant. This ant is an omnivore. Most ants eat a mixture of plants and meat. They eat leaves, nectar and fruit, as well as insects and dead animals. What about humans? Do you think humans are carnivores, herbivores or omnivores? With your adult, discuss your ideas. Have a little think about what you ate yesterday. Well done, Year 1. Humans are able to eat meat and plants. Some people only eat plants, but most humans have both plants and meat in their diet. This makes humans omnivores. Here is your activity for today. There is a Venn diagram that I would like you to use to help you sort the animals into whether they're a carnivore, herbivore or an omnivore. It's two circles that overlap. One of the circles is for carnivores. The other side of the circle is for herbivores, and where the two circles overlap is where we'll put the omnivores. Now remember, carnivores only eat meat, herbivores only eat plants, and omnivores eat both meat and plants. Don't forget to send your amazing work over to us. We're really excited to see all your hard work. Have a good day.